Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Uminti ke Sorkar jala wakmi ke border area development urakam Pynsangeh. Hakishputri urampang araja apsan ulai thu bak Sorkar jala kalatho asok Sorkar Pdeng dak jingkarpat bandang Pdeng ya border area development program hakani jala Meghalaya. Hakajengkren bigalat pathai kubor usangma ulong bak border area development program galadan bun snem henai nadu usnem arja apkhoi ter la Pynsangeh no yakni program kabayra banchna gi school gi hospital gi surok bat ki jingkieng haki Shnong Khappud dak Sorkar Pdeng.
In the border department, right, BATP, the border area development program, which was in place for many years. Since 2021 onwards, this program has been discontinued by the government of India. So we have communicated and we have requested the government of India to reconsider for continuation of the same program. Therefore, it really helped a borders region to build up the infrastructure, be it the schools, be it the hospital, be it the roads, be it the bridges and all. But however, a interstate program is being continued for the road and some infrastructure, be it the community hall, be it the schools building, be it the small footfall and the bridges, that will continue. Yeah. It's a government of India program. So it was initially 90s to 10. So 90, the program has been discontinued for different reasons. I don't know the reason. We have communicated to the government of India. So we have requested to reconsider to continue.
What about a special scholarship to the students in the border area?
I think, if I'm not wrong, this has been continued. This is going on.